Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Quickdraw Edgar from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line for the top of his head. Like that. Extend it downwards on both the left and right side. And at the ending point below, from the left, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the ending point on the right. Slightly above that, I'm going to draw another similar curved line across at that corner. The side of that shape, I'm going to draw on the left, curved line to the left and slightly down. Semi is going to turn downwards and turn it back to the right. Mirror that same curved line on the right side of his head. Curved line across from the ending point on the left to the ending point on the right. At the side of that shape, diagonal curved line downwards to the middle of his head. And I'm gonna mirror the same curved line on the right side of his head. From the ending point on the left, curved line across to the ending point on the right. Below the head, I'm gonna draw his hair on the left corner, curved line across to the right and slightly downwards. Sharp turn upwards at that corner, and on the right side of that, curved line across to the right and slightly down. Sharp turn diagonally upwards to the left at that corner, and above that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards for the right side of his head. Below the hair on the right, I'm going to draw the right side of his face with a line downwards at that corner. And for the left side of his face, below the head on the left, curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards to the right, and at the ending point below, curved line across from the left to the ending point on the right. From the side of his face, curved line out, above that set of line, semi is going to turn downwards with the curved line. Mirror that same set of line on the right side and shorter right there. Turn it diagonally out on the right corner. Turn it diagonally across to the left and downwards. Across to the left. Sharp turn diagonally down to the right. Turn it diagonally across to the left and downwards. Sharp turn diagonally up to the left. Curved line upwards and slightly to the right. Inside of that shape on the right corner, curved line downwards, turn it diagonally down to the right. Repeat that same set of line again on the left side. And on the left side of that, another similar set of line. And another one slightly to the left side of that. Now inside of his face, I'm going to draw his eye on the left corner. A curved line downwards below the hair right there and slightly to the left. And for the lower line of his eye, I'm going to draw a U curved line across at that corner, turn it upwards. And above that, I'm going to draw the pupil of his eye with a semi-oval shape at this right corner and fill that in with black color. For the right eye, I'm going to draw the lower part with a U curved line across on the right side of his face right there. In between the eye, I'm going to draw his nose with an arch curved line across at that corner. And I'm going to mirror that arch curved line for the lower part of his nose. And for his ear, on the left side of his face, at the upper corner, curved line out to the left and semi is going to turn down. Flare it out to the left and semi is going to turn back inwards to the right. And inside of the ear, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across to the right and slightly downwards at this upper point. And below that line, curved line downwards, flare it to the left and turn it back inwards. Mirror the same outline of the ear on the right side of his face. Below his scarf on the left, a short diagonal line downwards to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the right. Turn it back diagonally up to the right. Turn it across to the right and slightly up. Turn diagonally down to the right. Sharp turn upwards and slightly to the left. Turn it up and turn diagonally up to the left. Inside of his poncho, I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edge at this lower point. And another set of lines slightly above that. And above that, I'm going to draw a zigzag line diagonally across from the left downwards to the right. And continue that zigzag line across on the right corner diagonally up to the right. Below the poncho on the right, I'm going to draw his hand with curve line downwards. Turn to the left, extend it to the left, curve line upwards, turn it to the left at the upper point. Repeat that same curve line again on the right side of that, and on the left side of that whole thing, curve line across to the left at this lower point. Below that, a line downwards at that corner, turn it sideways to the left, and below that, on the right corner, curve line diagonally down to the right, turn it diagonally out to the right and slightly down, turn it downwards and slightly to the right, across to the right and slightly up. Repeat that same set of shape again at this lower point, and below that, a line downwards on the right corner. For the inner line of the leg, I'm going to draw on the left corner of that whole thing, curve line across to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right, flare it out with curve line, and turn it back diagonally across to the right and downwards. Turn it downwards, turn to the right, turn it diagonally up to the right, and arch curve line to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right. Curve line across to the left at that corner. Now for the left leg, below the poncho, I'm going to draw a line downwards for the outer line at that corner. Flare it slightly out above the shoe right there. And for the inner line of the leg, curve line downwards on the right side. Flare it out diagonally to the right and turn it downwards. Extend it down and turn it sideways to the left. Turn it diagonally up to the left, turn to the left, turn back downwards on the left corner, curve line across to the right at that point. In between the leg, I'm going to draw a V shape at that corner, and another V shape slightly above that. On the right side of the right leg, above the knee, curve line diagonally upwards to the side of his hand, and another similar line on the left side of that. Now for the scarf at the side of his body on the right, curve line out from his shoulder right there, turn diagonally out to the right and downwards, turn to the right. For the inner line of that scarf, curve line downwards at the side of his poncho on the left corner right here, diagonally to the right. Turn to the right and turn it upwards. Curve line upwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally up to the left at that corner. Turn it downwards. Turn it diagonally down to the right. Upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the left. Upwards, across to the right and slightly down, turn it downwards, slightly to the left, turn diagonally down to the left, curve line across and slightly up. Turn it diagonally up to the left at the inner corner. On the right side of that whole thing, at the lower point, a curve line across to the right. Turn it diagonally up to the right at the outer corner, right there. Turn it diagonally across to the left and upwards. Curve line across diagonally to the left and downwards. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards at that corner and slightly to the left. And on the left side of that, another similar line at that corner. Curve line across at the ending point above. For the left side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the left from his shoulder, across to the left, turn it diagonally up to the left, flare it out, and turn it back upwards with a curve line. Semi-turn diagonally across to the right. Turn it downwards at that corner, curve line across to the right. Turn it up, curve line upwards to the left, across to the left and slightly down, semi-turn downwards, flare it slightly out to the left and turn it diagonally inwards at this lower point. Turn it downwards and trace the same set of lines back inwards at this lower point to the right. Below that ending point, a diagonal line downwards to the left at that corner, sideways to the left. Above that whole thing, on the right, curve line across to the right at that corner, turn it diagonally down to the right and turn it downwards, sideways to the left. On the right side of that, at the upper corner, curve line upwards and slightly to the right, sideways to the right and turn it back downwards. Repeat that same shape again on the right corner right here. And at the ending point below, diagonal curve line across to the right and downwards. Turn it diagonally inwards to the left. Curve line diagonally down to the right at that corner. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!